Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem binary tree level order traversal. So this problem is very famous problem of tree and it is got asked in Amazon, Facebook, Google, Microsoft or many other companies, and this is the one of the second problem I can say we learn in a tree data structure. So what is the problem here? Like this is given a binary tree, we have to return the nodes level by level, like all the nodes in one level in one list, then second list, and all of them combined in a list of lists. So this is our first level, level 0, this is our level 1, and this is another level 2. So we need to return a result like something 3 in a one list like that, and that enclose like all lists are comma separate here, then 9 and 20 second list, and the last is 15 and 7. This will be our result. So we need to return this level order traversal level by level. So as you already aware of this, how to solve like iterative, we do solve this using a queue data structure. But have you ever wondered why do we use the queue in level order traversal? So basically level order traversal is a BFS algorithm, and in BFS algorithm we visit a node and then process like add all the nodes which are directly connected to this node, and first we finish the first level, then we want to traverse the next level and also keep maintain the ordering in which order we are adding those nodes, we need to get in the same order. So that's why we do use the queue data structure. So queue basically follow FIFO, or you can say LILO, FIFO, like first in first out strategy. So what we are doing, we will take this first node, root node, starting with the root node if it is not null, add into the queue, then we pop out this node 3 and put all the nodes from left to right, like this is left child, into the queue, so that we are marking all the node in the next level. We have visited this, we will add this into the queue. Now we get the 9 first, then we put all the node of which are next on the next level, and from 9 there is no node, so both left and right child of 9 is null, so we will not add anything. Then we will get the 20 of the same level and then add 15 and 7 like that. And every time how do we cut, like determine the we are changing the level, so we will use a size of the current size of the queue and then process that many nodes of that level and fill all the nodes from the next level. So like that you can use the alternate like that. So here is the code, very straightforward. We just use check first the base condition, if root itself null then return the empty list of lists, otherwise use a create a queue data structure, offer the root into the queue first and then iterate this until the queue has the node while queue dot size greater than 0, or you can use queue is not empty method. Then we first get the size of this current level and then iterated that many times for that current level and filling here by checking if there is a left or right child for the next level, as well as we are adding the current level nodes values into a level list which is a list of integer. Once we process this level, then we add into the final result array list of lists, and after doing every iteration, like after posting all the level, we just return the results. So this is a straightforward iterative solution using the queue. You can pause the video and try to code yourself. So the time complexity and space complexity of this solution both is O of n. So that's it. And here is also the Python code I have written, like lots of people you are asking me to do in Python as well. So I just started learning more on Python side, so I will try to cover Python code in the template. So here we use a DAC from the collection of the Python, and then the same code is same, nothing is different. Here we use append and the poplet for removing the node from the queue, and this is the same condition, and this is how. So solving this iterative is like everyone know, but today my intention to also cover a recursive solution which will give you more idea, like we can solve level order traversal as is recursive as well. So how to solve recursively? So what we will do, we again start from this node and say it is a level 0. So what we do, whenever we are processing current node, we will call the left followed by right, because we need to provide level order traversal level by level and from left to right only. So the next level we use a level variable, let's say L for now just 0 initialize. Then for when we calling left the same method, let's say if I call that method name as a DFS, as we are doing depth first search kind of a solution, or you can say helper method. So we will pass the root node to this and the initial depth which is L0. And another thing we will maintain, you can either maintain list of list, or you can also, for better visualization, we will maintain a hash map of integer comma list of integer. So this will be our hash map or dictionary in Python. So this is integer, and here we have list of integer. So this dictionary or the map we will maintain for each level. We add the new array list and add that node. So here add 0. So just remove this, like say first we process 0, we will append like 3 into this list. Then we call the left and right with the level incremented by 1, which is level previous level plus 1. So that is 1. So we create another node if it is not there and create a list first, and then first we will add the 9. Then we call the left or right of this 9 is null, so we will return from there. Then we get the 20. 20 has the same level which is 1, so we append this list, same list here. And in the end we have level 2, we add the 2 node of the level 2 which is 15 and 7. So this is what we got, all these levels in this values of our map. Then we take values and return as a new array list. So that's it. You can pause the video and implement the code yourself. So for the coding part, let's quickly implement the code. Code is very straightforward, nothing difficult here. So just integer list of integer, and let it call as a map itself, and initialize from the hash map, and call the method. So that we will call root level initial 0 and pass the map as a reference, and in the end we return new array list of map dot values. And let's now write the definition of our DFS method here. So private void DFS, and here we get a root node. So let's take as a node and int level and the map of integer list of integer as a map. So now first we will check if our node is null, then we will return from here. Otherwise we update our map on that level key. So we need to, like, there is a two-way you can check whether that current level is already in map. Then if it is there, then add that node directly. If it is not there, then add the new array list first and then add that node value. So there is a combined method of that. We can use a compute if fsend. So this will first check if this level is there or not. If it is not there, then we create an empty array list using this lambda 8 operator, Java 8 operator lambda, and then add the value, current node value, into this list, node dot value. That's it. And then we call the DFS for node dot left, increment the level by 1, pass map as it is, copy paste it, and then call for the right subtree, right child. So this will be right. So this is the code. So let's compile the code here. It should work, I am pretty sure, because it is, there is nothing hard and typical here. So this got accepted. The time complexity and space complexity is same as our iterative solution. So this is a recursive solution. So if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and like this video already if you like the solution. So there is another thing I will show you here, like there are couple of few more questions which use the level order traversals approach. You can try all of these problem. I have already posted the video of this problem. This is also very good problem. Here we need to return level order traversal in reverse order, and here we need to print like a level order traversal in a zigzag order, like first level from left to right, then second level from right to left, like so. So you can try all of these problem, that will help you to learn more, get the more detail. If you face any difficulty in these of the problem, you can ask me in the comments of this video. And let me show you another thing. I created this thing very long back here, and I shared in my channel already in community tab. So this is a place just I collected for all the binary tree important traversal or important problems here. So if you go, so this will help you handy basically when you have, let's say tomorrow interview, you can just go through it, understand, just try to recall it, and prepare all the tree problem in a one place. So here first we have in order traversal is a recursive solution, basically iterative solution first, in order iterative solution using the stack. So if you need a detailed explanation of these any of the problem, you can post in the comment section. Another is a pre-order, then we have post order, and the later we have all of them in a recursive base. So this is a recursive, all the 3 DFS in a recursive solution. Then after that level order traversal, so the same code which I shows you is the iterative solution using the queue. Then level order traversal level by level. So this is the today's problem we have solved just. And another zigzag problem is already there in LeetCode, you can try to code as well. Then minimum and maximum depth of the tree, and after that checking whether 2 trees are same or not, and symmetric tree. So these are also other problem, left view, right view, balanced view, full view, all of the problem standard problem are here. So that will help you to revise everything in one place. So if you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and share this video in your friends and circle. Thanks for watching.